Hey brewers, Brad here. Pretty excited, just about to have the first sippy poo of a test batch for our not so secret light lager, Skulls Light. We've had a lot of problems with this beer, just unlikely things happening, so let's, cheers. Okay, nice and dry, crisp, malty, with a distinct aftertaste of tires? Rubber. Yeah, so one more try. Okay, no. Rubber. Okay, I'm joking. I already knew that this was gonna happen because I already did taste it. Then we brewed it again, and the same thing happened again. And we've been driving ourselves crazy for the last 2 months in our home brewery here in the back of the shop, trying to figure out why our f***ing beer tastes like rubber. We even built a firm chamber. We stopped brewing because we're like, oh, we need a firm chamber. It's getting too hot. That must be it. That must be it. What's wrong? You know what it was? Excuse me 1 second. This motherfucker right here. I guess I should have thought. Use food grade hosing when you're making food. You know, I used to do asphalt. I've drunk out of these hoses a million times. Tastes just like that beer. Don't know why it took me 2 months to figure that out. So, if you brew outside, if you brew in the shop, don't use your garden hose. It's gonna ruin every beer and frustrate the hell out of you. Come down, get yourself a garden hose attachment with a barb, some silicone, food grade tubing. This ruined 6 f***ing batches, man. Okay, so this fixed it. We've got the new batch. It's fermenting right now, and we've done some other ones. No more rubber taste.